guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. I hope that you decide to click the subscribe button and join my strawberry family. We have a whole lot of fun over here. Today I do have an unboxing, so let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so the Busy Mom Budget reached out to me over on Instagram and she said, you know, hey, I'd love to send you some envelopes, if that's okay with you. And I was like, yeah, sure, you know, I'll do an unboxing, all that jazz. So here we are. This packaging is so cute. I almost don't even want to open it, but I am, because you guys know I love unboxings. I love watching unboxings. I love doing unboxings. So she sent it to my P.O. box. That's why I didn't cover my address. It's just my P.O. box. So if you ever want to send me like a postcard or a letter or something, feel free to. That is my P.O. box address. But I'm going to go ahead and open this. I am so excited. I have my scissors here ready just in case I need them, which it looks like I'm going to. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. I am just living life. I've had a pretty good week so far. I got another package that I was really excited to receive. So I have a lot going on, guys, but I'm so excited to be opening this package from the Busy Mom Budget. Oh, this is upside down. But yeah, I am just like, I don't know, I'm a little bit scatterbrained. Guys, I don't want to cut myself. This tape is so cute. I love it. And as a matter of fact, I don't even know what's in here. Like, she just said, I want to send you something. And I'm thinking that they're envelopes, but I don't know what's in here. So we're both going to be just as surprised. Oh, look at this. How cute. Girl, oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, these strawberries. Guys, great minds must think alike, because I just made some strawberry envelopes. So, okay, let me put this aside. She totally read my mind, like, with the strawberries. Like, I mean, I know all of you guys know that I've been so into strawberries, but I finally got myself some strawberry envelopes. I made them myself. Oh, there's a little thank you card. And yeah, so now I'm going to have all different types of strawberry envelopes, and I'm here for it. Guys, these look so nice. These are glossy. I can already tell. I'm trying to open this up so carefully because I can tell that it was packaged with so much love. If you don't watch the Busy Mom Budgets, she is just the sweetest. Like, she usually starts her videos with a Bible verse, and she is just so sweet. So if you do go check out her channel, which I'm gonna link her down below, please let her know that I sent you. Please just drop her a comment and say, like, hey, I saw the envelopes that you sent, Jen. But yeah, guys, so kindness. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it looks like it's vellum and they are glossy. You guys, so cute. So kindness, spending, oh, the heart, groceries, eating out, household, miscellaneous. Oh my gosh, so cute. Receipts. Oh, I don't have this. I literally was just thinking the other day, like, I need a receipts envelope. So now I have one. Back to the bank. So cute. And oh my gosh, some savings challenges. Girl, you are so sweet. These are so cute, y'all. I don't know if she's going to have these on her shop, but they are really cute. And let me open up this last piece here. Okay, so it is a cash withdrawal teller slip, and it has strawberries. Oh, she made me a couple. That is so cute. I am definitely going to be like using each one of these. Oh my gosh. Like, okay, I love them all. I have to say, I love them all. But this one, you guys, this is like, this is me. This is me in a teller slip. So, okay, let me set everything out. I cannot believe you are so sweet that you made these for me. And I know how long it takes to make envelopes now because I've been making my own. So you are the sweetest. These are all so cute, guys. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, because even though I made my own envelopes now, I'm going to use these. Like, I'm still going to use all of my other envelopes that I've won in giveaways that people have sent me. I'm still going to be using them. I'm going to be switching them out because I like options. If I had to choose my favorite, guys, this is just the cutest. If I had to choose my favorite, I think, which one? Okay, so these two kind of match, but all right, let me see. Let me see, they're all so cute. This is such a difficult decision. Probably this spending one. Maybe this, no, maybe, guys, I can't choose. I'm not gonna choose because it's, like, I really like this one too. I'm not gonna choose. I like them all. I like them all, and I'm so happy that they're all mine. So yeah, if you do, like I said, if you go check out her YouTube or her Instagram, I will have it all in the description box down below. But if you do, please let her know I sent you. She is so sweet. She has actually shouted me out on one of her videos, and I know that some of you now watch because you found me through her. So I'm so happy. I'm so blessed to have her as a friend. Guys, so I was like cleaning everything up, and then I found this card. So I opened it already, but I want to show you guys. So it says never stop dreaming, and she has the cutest handwriting, and she just says, I want to congratulate you. But down here, so she is opening up her shop on Etsy on August 15th. And she gave me a discount code to share with you guys, strawberry15. So you will get 15% off of her shop if you use my code. So yeah, guys, make sure that you go check out her shop on August 15th. And I will have a link for you down below. Please, I hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!